Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Talk Today, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest innovations transforming our world. I'm your host, and today we're exploring an intriguing intersection of gaming and artificial intelligence, specifically how AI can enhance our experience playing classic video games like Pokemon. Picture this. You're sitting down to play Pokemon Red, a game that's been around since the late 90s. And instead of playing it yourself, you have an AI, let's call it Claude, doing the heavy lifting for you. Sounds wild, right? So how does that work exactly? Well, with the help of a special tool called the PyBoy emulator, the AI can read game memory and make decisions about what moves to make next. Let's break that down a bit. At the core, the setup is pretty straightforward. You start by cloning a repository that contains this exciting AI Pokemon fusion. From there, you install a few required packages, just some simple coding magic, and then you set up something called an Anthropic API key. This key is like a secret password that allows Claude to connect with the server and access its brain power. Now, if you're wondering how you actually get the AI to play, it's quite easy. You run a main script and specify your Pokemon ROM file, that's the game itself, and just watch Claude spring into action. As the AI interacts with the game, it captures screenshots and reads the game's state from memory. It then sends this information back to Claude, which interprets it and decides what the next best move is. In just a few commands, you could have Claude steering your character through the Kanto region, battling gym leaders and collecting badges. It's almost like having a co-pilot. As Claude drives, you can enjoy the ride to maybe even shout out commands or just immerse yourself in the nostalgia of the 8-bit world. Isn't that fascinating? And here's the kicker. Let's think about the implications. This isn't just about nostalgia or fun. There are so many applications for AI in gaming, from educational tools to more complex adaptive gameplay that learns from your own style. Can you imagine a game that adjusts its difficulty based on how well you're playing? That's a reality on the horizon. So, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of AI taking on roles in gaming? Does it enhance your experience, or do you believe it takes away from the challenge? And if you could have AI assistants in any game, which one would you choose? Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some key points. Today we explored how Claude plays Pokemon Red through the PyBoy emulator, allowing AI to read game memory and interact with it seamlessly. We also touched on the potential for AI to revolutionize not just gaming, but education and adaptive learning experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes that keep you at the forefront of technology and innovation. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and as always, happy gaming.